What's up, guys? I just wanted to take a really quick look at this new Glycine Combat Classic I picked up. It's gold tone Moonphase. I picked up the 36mm version, which has about 41mm lug-to-lug, is about 11mm thick. It's got a great looking Moonphase there, which I think is using a Salida 280-1. No screw down crown, so it's only got about 50 meters of water resistance. It's got this great Jubilee style bracelet, which you can see folds up real well and is super comfortable to wear, and comes with a butterfly clasp. We've also got a bit of lume on the dial, which works surprisingly well given the little amount there is from what I've seen so far. I think this one wears really well on the wrist. I think she's a really cool looking gold tone watch, especially with the Moonphase. Hopefully I'll do a review later. Right now it's keeping pretty good time. From what I looked at the time grapher, it was getting about 5 seconds. So I'll have to see how that wears on the wrist, how much it ends up holding up. Cheers.